Hey Mike, Tom here with WFB Digital Solutions. Just wanted to send you a little video kind of showing you some tips and tricks on how to improve your online presence. So one of the things I like to go over is citations. Citations, backlinks, and also content. Content on your front page here depends on the competition, but Google's usually looking for 15 to 2,000 words. What Google does is looks for those content to help you get found by people that are looking for your services, and then helps you push up higher into the search results. A key within your content, you want to have some pretty good keywords that are related to your services that people look for on a regular basis. A keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product that you have. In your content, you want to place the keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what term you want for your website to be found for. So in your instance, it'd be fencing. So you use a lot of different keywords related that are highly searched within your area, so that you're more easily found and rank higher in Google. Look at your top competitor in Boise, and that's Boise River Fence. If we're looking at their page, they actually don't have a whole lot of content on their front page. They do have quite a few back pages listing what services they provide and stuff like that. And that might be what's helping them rank higher than being your top competitor. I do see that you have some back pages, but having more back pages listing out what your services are, and even listing out your locations that you provide services for, and having content and keywords in each of those back pages will actually help you rank higher than your competition. Another thing I like to look at is this website called Ahrefs, and it shows me how many keywords you have, how many backlinks you have. It really shows me like where those are coming from. Your power, this is a power meter and a trust meter. Or sorry, I had that backwards. Trust and power. So your trust meter for Google is 26 out of 100. Your power meter is 27 out of 100. You're using 51 keywords, and you have 600 links. With the links that you use, so basically with a link or a backlink, it's anywhere you find one website linking to another with a clickable hyperlink. These links act like an endorsement on your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business for seeing others vouching for you. It's literally like a popularity contest where person with the most wins people website pointing at them or pointing at them. However, not all links are created equal, so it's worth noting the relevance of your industry and local websites will work best. So you don't necessarily want to have a backlink from a tire shop or a garden shop, because it has nothing to do with what you provide. So you want to make sure that your backlinks are with trusted websites that are related to your services, that are actually pointing people in the right direction. With your backlinks, you can look at the strength of your backlinks. They're a little bit low, so definitely looking for higher, more trustworthy websites and backlinks to refer to back to you will definitely help also increase your presence and raise your ranking on Google. Looking at your competition, Boise River Fence, they have 238 keywords and 14,000 backlinks. Their trust is 28, but their power is really low at 3.3. That means that they've been around for a little while. Google trusts what they have, but their power within their links is not very good at all. And we can even look down here. They have a lot of low-level ranked or power backlinks. So again, that would definitely be easily, just because they have a bunch of them, more than likely most of them are not helping them at all. So it'd be easily surpassable with your backlinks and your keywords to gain a higher rank than them. So one of the last things I want to look at is your citations. And citations is basically as anywhere your business name, number, and address are listed exactly in the Google business profile. Citations help you rank on map packs. So like this, when you search for a fence company in Boise, you'll see that you have a Google map right here, and you have listings of companies right here. So this is called the map pack, and this is where the citations come in handy, or come into play. So this is extremely important for a local business like you, since these generate huge amounts of revenue. Citations include directories like Yelp, Angie, Expertise, BBB, Yellow Pages. Even Facebook has its own directory you can use for free. So if you have like a Facebook page, which I'm sure you do, I'm pretty sure you do, using that directory will help you with the citations as well. The idea is that you want your brand begins to be found on Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence, the more citations, the more directories you're in, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than your competition, the more likely you're going to get ranked above them on the map hacks. So definitely want to increase your presence with directories and having your business listed everywhere you can. So the more you have, the higher you'll be ranked and definitely beat out your competition on the map hack. So once you have your content, backlinks, and citations all squared away, and they come together, you start to outgrow your competition. And here's what you might be looking at and why this is so worth it. Taking a look at your competitor, they have 515 organic traffic, which produces them $509 of traffic value with how many keywords they have in backlinks. So improving your keywords and backlinks to surpass their ranking, you definitely had to increase your traffic and your total traffic value by far. So then as you saw, that they didn't have as much content, so beating them out in content, beating them out in backlinks and citations would definitely increase your traffic and your value tremendously. So this is what I do for a living. I created this video for you to help you start generating leads online. If you do find yourself wanting more to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out and I can help you with some more information, or we can even talk about your goals. And I can do the research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. I'd love some feedback on this if you don't mind, whether or not it's helpful for you, and if it's something you can use. But yeah, again, this is Tom with WFB Digital Solutions. You can reach me at 208-402-8268. And I really hope this helps you, honestly. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.